Hello friends, we are going to learn today natural language processing using natural language toolkit. It is abbreviated as NLTK, and NLTK is a Python library, and natural language processing use NLP. It is it is a field of computer science that focus on interaction between computer and human. NLP consists techniques that are used to analyze text, providing a new way for computer to understand human language. It has many applications like automatic summarization, topic segmentation, sentimental analysis, and many more. Code, yeah, it is a simple code for NLP using of NLTK in Python. Uh, First of all, we need a need Python 2.7 version, or we can also run on 3.0, but I am using 2.7. You have to import NLTK. Oh, okay. First of all, here it to import NLTK Twitter sample. It is our dataset. Let me show you the dataset. Yeah, this is dataset in JSON format. It is tweets in these are tweets. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to load dataset in tokenized format. Okay. Then tag the tag tweets, in which we tag each of our token. After that, we just run an iteration to find different number of adjective and noun in our uh, Twitter tweets database. Yeah, let me run the code. Yeah, I am running it with Python nlp.py. It's taking time. Yeah, this is our in our this database. The whole this file, JSON file. It consists 6094 adjectives and 13180 nouns. Okay, thank you.